So for today's assignment, we are going to talk about two new terms. The one is fusion and the other is fission. Fusion and fission. They both are opposite to each other. Fusion. Fusion comes from the word fuse, means combine. Two things combines together and make one thing. But fission is the opposite of fusion, and it means split or break. If something or one thing is breaking into many things, that's called fission. So fusion is combine, making or joining, fuse, while fission is split, breaking and decompose. If you remember earlier on, we talked about the synthesis and decomposition reaction. We said synthesis means combination, like two or more things combined together make one thing, while decomposition, we said it's a breaking, when one thing splits into two things. So here is the drawing, like you can see here. Like one thing is splitting into two things, so this must be fission. One thing is splitting into two things, that must be fission, breaking, decompose. While two things combining to make one thing, that must be fusion or fuse, combine. Like for example, the process of reproduction. When sperm and egg combines together, make a zygote. That's a process of reproduction, which is an example of fusion. But fission, like in your body cells, each body cell is split or break into many other body cells. One cell is breaking into many other cells. That's an example of fission. So this is the drawing of fission. This is a drawing of fusion. We said fusion is combination or making, fission is splitting or breaking. Synthesis is related to fusion, while the decomposition is related to fusion. What is your assignment? You have to differentiate. You have to make two columns, for one for fusion and one for fission. You have to differentiate, like fusion is the combination reaction and fission is the decomposition reaction, and you have to make a drawing. This is for fission and this is for fusion.